Imagine a lone rogue star drifting silently through the darkness of space, drawing ever closer to our solar system. As it nears, its powerful gravity tugs at the Oort cloud and Kuiper belt, scattering countless icy bodies into chaos. Comets are hurled inward, streaking past planets, some even slamming into them, triggering catastrophic impacts. Mercury's orbit grows erratic, planets narrowly miss collisions, and Earth's own path shifts, risking a deep freeze or being flung into space. But don't worry, experts estimate just a 0.2% chance of such an event in the next 5 billion years, as Gliese 710 nears our Oort cloud. For now, our solar system remains stable, a tiny part of a restless galaxy where stars are always on the move. Imagine a star, untethered, a cosmic wanderer. What if this rogue star set a course straight for our solar system? These stars, ejected from their galaxies by violent collisions or supermassive black holes, carry immense gravitational power. Their first target? Our solar system's distant, icy frontier, the Oort cloud and Kuiper belt. A passing rogue star would stir this icy reservoir, sending a barrage of comets hurtling inward. We're talking comet showers that could last millions of years, dramatically increasing the risk of impacts on Earth. Closer in, the ripple effects could be catastrophic. Our inner planets, especially Mercury, could be thrown into chaotic orbits. This could trigger a dangerous domino effect, planets colliding, or even Earth being flung out into the cold, dark abyss of interstellar space. While a direct catastrophe for Earth is highly improbable, about a 0.2% chance over the next 5 billion years, it's a non-zero risk. A nearby star, Gliese 710, will approach our Oort cloud in 1.3 million years, promising a future comet shower. Our solar system is a delicate, dynamic system. Rogue stars remind us that even in the vastness of space, the dance of gravity can reshape worlds, a cosmic ballet with truly profound consequences.